Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. Here, I encourage you to stick to your plans and plan functionally. And in this video, I am going to be planning in my classic size Happy Planner dashboard layout. And I'm going to be planning for the week of July the 4th through the 10th in this video. But I want to go ahead and also show you what my monthly as well as my currently section looks like. I am using my currently section for highlights and goals and my monthly to write down all bill due, household items, and all of that. Now, I did tell you in my last video when I was flipping through the Hello Summer Live Love Posh sticker book flip through that I wanted to show you how I was going to be using these stickers to plan functionally. So in this video, I'm going to do just that using these stickers in my dashboard layout. All right, my Tea Party Squad, I am done with my spread. I love how this tropical theme or tropical vibes look. So I definitely recommend this sticker book by Live Love Posh, Hello Summer. If you are just getting into planning, maybe starting decorative planning, this is an easy sticker book to use to go ahead and get your plans all in. This sticker book does have 15 designs, so you definitely have a lot of stickers to go ahead and create a functional spread. But I love how this turned out. And I use this planner as my home planner where I keep up with doctor's appointments, errands, things I need to order, things I need to remember throughout the week. And I just thought that using these hexagon shapes on the left side would give me a variety of options. And so let me know what you think about that left side. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Thanks for watching.